Hello everyone. In this short video, I will go over how to use the databases at the SDSU library and how to build your citations for your reference pages. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're at the SDSU library, and then you can click on Databases. Once you're there, come over to Databases A to Z. And we're just going to start with a pretty broad database for education, EBSCOhost. So we're going to go to E and then come down to the EBSCOhost database portal. At this stage, I want you to go ahead and click this little box, which will select all the databases that are in EBSCOhost. Once you're done there, type in your topic. In this case, I'm going to type in bilingual education. And I'm going to push search. My results will then come back that I have 40,514 sources, but that's way too many. So I'm going to come down here on the left, and I'm going to make sure that my dates are limited. So in this case, we are going to go to 2018, the last 5 years. Then I want to do full text, which will allow you to read the article, and peer-reviewed, which is part of what a scholarly article is. And then click on academic journals. This will take out anything that's a report, an electronic resource, a dissertation, and will give you simply peer-reviewed scholarly articles. As you can see, now I have 5,005 different articles on bilingual education that I can choose from. So really at this stage, it's a matter of deciding what works with your research. So just to show you, I'm going to click on this first link here, our first article. And over here, you can find that it was published in the International Journal of Bilingual Education, and it gives all the information here that you need. But what's probably most important to you is right over here on the right-hand side where it says Cite. Simply click on Cite and then scroll down to where it says APA 7th edition American Psychological Association. And you can simply copy right here and paste. Notice that in the bottom it does include the DOI, so you're totally safe there. And that is how we take care of finding articles in the database and using the automatic citations to put in our list. I hope this is helpful.